Buying a major home appliance is an important decision and a big purchase. It's important to know before you go. Make sure you visit www.bigboxappliancereviews.com.
Factory and Mattress Kingdom, 5-star rated, over 5,000 reviews, guaranteed we beat Home Depot and Lowe's. The nation's largest discount appliance dealer, over 24 stores in 3 states. Visit us at ApplianceFactory.com.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. My name's Simon. I'm going to be doing a product review on this black stainless double wall oven. The model number is KODE 500. Black stainless would be EBS, and then stainless steel would be ESS. Just looking at the front panel here and what we have to offer. This is a really cool display. Okay, it is a color display as well, I believe, so it will be very vibrant. On the front, obviously you've got 2 different ovens, so how you control the upper and how you control the lower. As you notice, both have convection bake, convection broil, convection roast on all 3 there as well. Also, if you like to bake, you can proof as well. It's going to be a smart oven, so you can pair this with your phone and you can preheat from your phone as well. And also, if we take a look on the inside, we have this temperature probe, which will also pair to your smartphone, so you can stick that in the Thanksgiving roast and keep track of it so it doesn't dry out the meat or anything like that. Taking a look at the racks here, just very standard basic on the bottom, and then you do have a glided rack on top, which is really nice. Not quite sure what that piece is though. But the glided rack, obviously, if it's bolted in properly, I'm not sure we did this one, but if it is, it won't come out any further than it is, so it's not going to fall out, not going to burn yourself on the wrists while you're cooking. And if we take a look at the back here, we have a bow tie convection fan. This is patented from the Whirlpool brand, so KitchenAid and will have a bow tie shape at the back. The convection fan is paired with a heating element. Paired with that bow tie like shape, it'll send heat to all 3 racks and throughout the entire cavity, which is pretty impressive. So, you know, you will get a completely even cooking experience along with that temperature probe. Be super controlled. Take a look down here at the bottom. Pretty much what the nice thing about this is, it's exactly the same as the top one. Usually what you'll find in a double oven is that one has convection, one doesn't, but as you see, we still have the bow tie convection fan back there. Glided rack on the bottom. Again, if this one's not in, you can decide which place you want to put it at. 2 racks as well. LED lighting on the side. You got your broiler up top, and you'd have the same on the very top as well. And also, you know, generally the overall look of this oven, very attractive. KitchenAid make great quality product. They've been around for 111 years, I think it is. They've been around for a very long time. Really great product. Definitely want to go on our website, ApplianceFactory.com, and check out more specs on this oven, guys. But don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.
Online or locally, save at ApplianceFactory.com. Click the link to learn more.